Hello everyone, it's me again, your one and only friend around the world, Sweet Caroline. So, just want to say hi and hello to all of you, to all my friends out there around the world, and of course, special greetings to all our friends who are celebrating their birthdays, anniversaries. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all our friends who are celebrating um, their birthdays and their anniversaries. Again, I want to say thank you also to Mr. and Mrs. Huffman for the unlimited um, messages, and also to all my online classmates and our online academy for social media content creators. Thank you so much for the love and support, guys. Thank you. And okay, what are we going to? We'll be having a short discussion. This is again going to be coming from our friend Miss Filipinas de la Cruz, and of course to her family, right? So um how do I start this? Because I've been doing this several times. I guess I have lots of episodes with this kind of topic. But anyway, let's go straight forward and focus only particularly in this topic that you want us to dwell on, and I'll do my very best as much as I can. Okay, anyway, okay, many of you are asking what is the best thing to do in life, most especially if you are um, if you're easily get distracted, if yung sabi in Tagalog, you are very much in balat sibuyas, meaning you are very, very, very sensitive, like you've heard something coming from your family members, your friends that has anything to say about what you do, what are you doing, what you want, or some of your friends, or maybe your relationship, your partner will always um, have something to say about you. Okay, meaning you are in the stage of you have the very, very weak yung emotion mo, very very low ang iyong self-esteem. You know, maybe you would be saying, if you're hearing someone will always comfort you because ikaw yung may pinagdadaanan na ganyan, you will be saying that wala ka kasi nun eh, wala ka kasi sa shoes ko, wala ka kasi sa situation ko, so it's easy for you to say things. But actually, it's true. When people will come to you from the bottom of their hearts, they will be comforting you, they will be always keeping you to keep to stay positive, to just hold on to the beliefs that everything will be okay, most especially if you know how to surrender yourself to our Heavenly Father. Sabi ko nga, and always in my videos, that alam mo, kahit na anong maging religion mo, isa lang naman yun ating pinaniniwala, ang Heavenly Father, right? So, once na surrender mo yung sarili mo sa Kanya, and you pray for everything, you pray, and of course, syempre, kailangan mo rin ng hard work. You need also to help when you pray, you also help yourself to become positive, yung para ma-receive mo yung resulta na ini-expect mo. Because you cannot also, syempre, pray hard, pray hard, pray hard, but you're doing nothing, diba? So, meaning to say, once you pray deeply, you surrender everything to our Heavenly Father, you not stop there. You also need to help yourself, okay? To become positive, yung eager ka doon sa wini-wish mo, doon sa hinihiling mo sa ating Panginoon, okay? I've already talked about before about the law of attraction, and I have already talked about many topics in my previous videos about yung having the self-confidence and what are the basic things that we usually need to do para magawa natin yung mga bagay na yan, right? And okay, so kagaya ng pinagdadaanan ng cousin ni Miss Filipinas de la Cruz, okay? You cannot force anyone to believe on you, or you cannot even force anyone, kahit na yung partner mo, na umayon sa'yo always, na mag-agree sa'yo always, and 100% na magbibigay sa'yo ng support. Kasi maraming pamamaraan naman ng support eh. Paano mo ba gusto yung support? Gusto mo ba yung urgently nakikita mo, nararamdaman mo? Kasi minsan meron naman silent supporter eh, 'di ba? And kung hindi mo naman talaga nararamdaman from them, alam mo, you just hayaan mo lang, keep going on. As long as you are not harming anyone, as long as you're not doing things that could harm people surround you, or most especially yourself. So just go ahead, right? And for sure, that's very impossible naman that kahit isa, dalawa na tao na hindi naniniwala sa'yo, that's not gonna happen, no? Siguro pinaka-worst na yun, at least meron pa ring isa na maniniwala at willing na maniwala at makinig sa'yo, right? And of course, boosting your self-confidence. You boost your self-confidence, number one is you have to check on yourself eh. Reality check ka muna sa sarili mo. Check on yourself. Ito ba talaga ako? Ano ba itong mga ginagawa ko everyday? And kilala ko na ba talaga sarili ko? At the same time, once everything is done and naging habit mo yon, every time na when you wake up, after you pray sincerely, talk to yourself and tell yourself that this is that I'm going to happen, this is what I'm going to do, I'm happy with this, and as long as, sabi ko nga, hindi ka nakaka-cause ng negatibo sa kapwa mo kahit kanino. When you start fixing yourself, hayaan mo muna yung mga tao na nasa paligid mo, yung mga distraction na yan. Kailangan kasi focus ka muna sa sarili mo, and then kailangan always meron kang number one na tiwala sa sarili mo na makakaya mong gawin yun, right? You love yourself, and of course, kung may pagmamahal ka sa sarili mo, of course, dapat may tiwala ka rin sa sarili mo kung saan mga ginagawa mo. Sabi ko nga, as long as you're doing things that's not going to harm anyone and you're happy with that, so kahit na may mga tao na mag-distract sa'yo, tao na tumutol at ayawan ka, okay lang, just continue, diba? Do not argue with them, hayaan mo lang sila, dahil balang panahon marirealize din nila yan. And then, kung hindi naman nila na-realize, it's their loss, diba? So, just don't mind them as long as you're okay, you're not going to because, alam mo, yung mga tao na inggit sa'yo o yung mga tao na dinidiscourage ka para magpatuloy ka sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo at ano yung desire mo. Pag nagpa-apekto ka sa kanila, there will be they will be more happy. Ibig sabihin, 'di ba? Panalo sila. So why would you allow anyone to let you down, 'di ba? So ikaw sa sarili mo, you must help yourself. Aside from prayers, tulungan mo yung sarili mo kung paano ka makakapag-move forward. Okay? Just ang kailangan mo lang talaga dun yung confidence mo sa sarili mo, 'di ba? And mag-start ka sa mga bagay na mag-focus ka sa mga bagay na sino lang yung naniniwala sa iyo, yun lang ang iyong mga sasamahan, dadalas-dalasan na pakikinggan. I-avoid mo yung mga people na makaka-distract sa iyo, na magbibigay sa iyo ng negatibong energy. Okay? And again, I will be reminding those people who are experiencing the same situation, always look up to our Heavenly Father next to yourself. Okay? I'm not gonna say that you need to be very over confident, but at least you must have for 100%, at least you'll be having the confident for yourself ng percentage na mataas-taas naman or high naman ang iyong confidence sa iyong sarili, no? And sabi nga natin, too much, everything is too much, hindi maganda. Everything naman na kulang, hindi rin maganda. So just right lang dapat, di ba? And of course, again, for those people who are always coming to me and always asking me ng time to listen and to always, minsan may mga tao na uy, sorry, I keep on reaching out to you and it's the same, maybe you are tired. Actually, hindi po, it's okay as long as I have free time and as long as pinagkakatiwalaan nyo ko yung you guys are trusting yours truly. I will be happy and gladly to be lending my shoulders as much as I can, okay? And okay, so tandaan natin ha, guys, kung ano man yung laman or what's inside your heart, your mind is going to be the reflection on who you are and what you will become, okay? So just always do good and everything will be okay. And for those people who are experiencing this kind of situation, it's not going to be easy. You don't need to rush yourself, but you must do something for yourself aside from the prayers, okay? Again, whatever you manifest, whatever you wish, whatever comes in your heart, it's very effective. So might as well think of good things and good things will come to you, right? I hope that this short video will be at least enlighten some of our friends who will be watching this or listening to my voice. Thank you very much again for your trust, for your love and support. Again, thank you for all our friends there, and shout out again to all my professors and of course all my new friends around the world. Again, you can reach me out as always here in YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, Instagram, and where else? There are lots of social media platform accounts that you can find me there, okay? Again, it's me, your one and only friend around the world, Sweet Caroline, always reminding everyone to always choose to love, choose to forgive, and always be kind. Choose the right path of our lives because everything is already written in the stars, so be positive, stay positive, and always keep the positive energy alive. I'll be seeing you around.